crashing their car. Why?
What?
What is the point?
I don't know. But by the way, I love the guy.
No. Ah. That hurt my
Excuse
heart.
me?
That hurt my heart. That wasn't okay.
No, I'm just curious. What is gonna be? I mean,
I don't know.
Everything for the reason on 5 minutes.
Everything. 5 Minute Crafts has reasons for things. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So now they're making a big ball. Okay.
Mhm.
This is important for
It's
reasons.
important. Where is
And
the
now this.
logo?
Oh, I love that squashing machine. Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
And it's made by Carjack.
Yeah, and a drill, right?
Yeah,
Cool.
nice. What is the label?
It's in there still.
No, there is not.
The Mercedes emblem is still in there. It's in the middle of it.
No, we would see this.
Or they tricked us.
Maybe,
Me.
but maybe no.
Okay. Did they trick you? Let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, soda.
So,
We're melting down this metal for what? Ah.
oh, of course.
Yeah.
Yes. What? What? Just of course. What else it could be, right?
No, it's just
Yeah,
glasses.
it's
Yeah.
just glasses.
You gotta look cool, right?
Yeah, of course.
That's why I wear them. I don't need these. They're completely useless. I have
No,
20.
You need them to be cooler.
I have 20. Yeah, that's
what
true.
You want to say?
Yeah. I have 2021 vision, okay? 2023. What year is it?
We need more, especially me, more details. What does it mean?
2023 vision?
Yeah.
That means that I see everything as it is in the year 2023.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it good?
It's alright. The year's okay.
No, I'm just I want to
It's a
hear
good-
your
yeah,
personal
yeah, it's a
opinion
good
about
year.
it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's a good year. Not for
No.
everybody,
No.
obviously. It's a good year for some people that,
No, it's a bad year. I guess.
it's a bad year.
Yeah. So, what is this reading about?
This, I don't actually know. How are you going to see through that?
Easy. There is a holes from which you can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Guys, let us know. Are you having a good 2023? Down in the comments below.
Yeah. Wow. Looks satisfying.
Yeah.
But what is the practical?
The
side
practical
of-
point is that
Yeah.
you look sick as hell.
Then
it.
you can see nothing.
Yeah. No, it comes a cost with everything, right?
Uh-huh.
Everything costs something. So being cool costs
Exactly.
your vision. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
True.
How, Daredevil. He can't see anymore, but he's cool.
But why the life itself? Like you need to pay for everything. I mean,
Because then it's not worth getting. Nothing, that you don't have to work for is worth getting.
I mean, it should be easy.
Unless you just get randomly like $1 million in a briefcase. But then you might have like the mob on you, so maybe not.
Meh. Okay, look at that.
Nice.
Ugh.
Useless glasses. I love it.
What do you think about these glasses?
Oh, they messed
Let us
up one of the
know.
holes. No!
How dare!
5 Minute Crafts, you were supposed to be the pinnacle of society. The everything of quality.
Exactly. It
You
should be-
betrayed us. And
What?
Ooh, I didn't know coins were made like that. I don't think they are.
No. It looks like a.
Okay.
False.
And they broke the coin. Now we're cutting the coin.
to get 2 rings. Guess what is
Okay.
this? Could be
One ring for a lady, one ring for a fella. Or one ring for a small fella and one ring for a bigger fella.
Yeah, now they similar. The
Okay.
whole your theories was
I was wrong.
Wrong.
I was completely wrong. Well, maybe
Yeah,
they have
that's
weird
fine.
fingers. Maybe
Yeah.
they have really strange shaped fingers.
maybe.
Could be. How are your fingers? Are they strangely shaped? Let us know.
The
Let me-
whole shapes.
Are your fingers normal?
I don't know. For me, normal, but for in other people, it could be completely wrong.
It's true.
Maybe they are too small. Or
Maybe they're too sausagey, yeah.
So there is no normality or abnormality. I think the whole fingers the same.
Mm-hmm. How?
The same good.
Wow, you are
Yeah.
truly a beacon of society. Free the fingers. Okay, so now we have a long tube made out of a coin. And S? Y?
S.
It looks like an S. Or a 5. Oh, that was just not
No.
useful.
It's like
Heat.
a puzzle or something, you know?
It does look like a puzzle, yeah.
But what is the purpose?
I don't
Now
know.
they-
I don't know. That's why I'm watching
Tell
5
me.
Minute Crafts.
That's- we want to know everything.
We want to know it now. Even though we're going to be shown later. We're going to ask questions.
More questions. A lot of questions.
It's a
What?
butterfly.
Butterfly?
It's a butterfly.
Butter how?
Butter, watch the video and see it's a butterfly.
No.
Butter, watch the video.
It's
It's glasses.
it's glasses.
But it flapped like a butterfly. You know what I'm talking about.
It looks like yeah. I don't know.
Oh, look at that 90-degree angle. Oh, nice. That's not really 90 degrees though. Okay, we're making some nice little notches. Ooh, with a screw.
Wow, but make the thread first before screw it in.
Nice.
Yes.
They look a little flimsy. They look like they'll flop all over your face.
They looks too small. That's what I wanna.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All eyes are the
mention.
same. There's no such thing as normal.
Yes, but they are too small.
Okay.
Which is
Oh my gosh, they are
Yeah.
too small. Never mind.
kind of fits for a kid.
Maybe for a child, but a small child. An infant.
For a newborn child.
It could be.
But why? I mean, but
They have to look cool too.
Yeah.
To all the other kids. So that they're at the top of the
That's
social
true.
hierarchy.
Oh,
That is a cool cat.
that's amazing.
Oh my
but
gosh.
no way.
That's the most patient cat I've ever seen in my
Yeah,
life. Normally
yeah,
cats will be
no.
like flip out.
Exactly. Even if you will put small thing on them, they will.
I'm amazed that
live over.
it's the cat's taking it.
Wow.
He
You
kind of
feel
likes them.
cool.
Yeah.
You're cool.
Yeah. Meow.
Okay. Well, that's I guess nice.
I like it.
But I mean, it's for sure an unexpected ending.
Yeah. No, I didn't expect it. It was the biggest plot twist since Fight Club.
How they flipped us over through the hallway.
Now it's just a cat video. Now it's just a long cat video.
No, it's really too much. Okay.
Okay.
Now we move on.
Epoxy resin.
What was that? It's a jeans fabric.
It looked like jeans. Yeah, denim. Ooh. Denim. Ooh. That reminds me of a Friday night.
That's so weird. I mean.
Okay, so now we have more jeans.
To make a, I don't know. Just mention it could be skateboard deck or something.
That would be nice.
But
Jean skateboard sounds so not a good idea.
But
That's,
if it will be in a epoxy resin and make it hard, so
yeah, could be.
yeah.
It's possible. Anything's possible if you put your mind to it. 5 Minute Crafts is proof of that. Why are you laughing? You were there!
That's totally true.
Yes.
But what is going on here?
5 Minute Crafts, make your dreams come true. Again,
Again, it's, glasses.
It looks like it.
Yes, it's totally glasses.
They're making jeans glasses.
Weird glasses, right?
Yeah, they really like jeans glasses. And
Jeans.
just
yeah.
confusing the hell out of us.
Well, but I like this automatic saw.
It is cool, yeah. Bring back the saw. Bring back the saw! Yeah.
I'm sorry that I
You're-
didn't support you.
It's okay. I don't need
with
support.
this. Yeah, everybody needs support.
That's true.
What the day today?
This is a weird day.
Yeah.
I'm feeling weird. You guys feeling weird? Let us know down in the comments.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the day. Maybe it's everyone's day today. It's just weird.
Maybe.
Yeah, depending on whatever day
But
this comes out.
yeah, it depends. We have different days. If you don't know, we're from future.
We're future
From-
people.
from-
No, we're
from
actually
the past.
We're time
Past,
travelers.
Yeah.
That's a horrible. They did a bad job there. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
but
It could be more accurate,
Straight.
and straight,
Yeah.
and nice, and polished,
And
more glasses,
and
more pretty,
Mhm.
and
Yeah,
more practical, and more.
Okay, that's enough.
Thank
I
you.
feel like that's enough.
I felt pressure from yours.
and and
Hey, I everything.
those look kind of nice. Maybe it's just her.
No, that's. Sorry, what was that? No, she's the glasses is good.
Yes, the
Yeah,
glasses
it looks
is good.
good on her. It suits her.
Yes, beautiful
Nice.
eyes, glasses, eyes.
Yeah,
Glasses.
Well, jeans with the jeans, unbelievable. Wood mood.
Wood mood. That puts me in a wood mood. Not. That sounds weird. No, that's the name of the channel. Give us more.
More reaction.
No.